I am here at our newest listing in the beautiful town of Arroyo Grande, California. Before we dive into the home, let me tell you about this great park. This modular park offers the perfect blend of convenience and leisure, with not only one, but 2 swimming pools, a playground for the kids, a well-equipped gym, and you'll have all these amenities right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the best part. This location's proximity to the beach. In less than a 10-minute drive, you can sink your toes into the sandy shores of the world-famous dunes. And if you're up for the short drive, you'll find yourself in the charming town of Pismo Beach. With its shops, restaurants, and vibrant atmosphere, it's the perfect spot for the day of exploration and relaxation. While I like to talk about the location all day, I know you're curious about the home itself. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath gem offers comfort, space, and the lifestyle you've been looking for. From cozy family gatherings to moments of tranquility, this home has it all. So there you have it, a sneak peek into this incredible location. If you're as excited as I am, I look forward to hearing from you, and let's make your California dreams come true.